So we're now at old train station. Name of the station is Sørumsand. The train is not here now. It's here in the summertime. But this is how it looks like. In front. Yes. It's an old plaque. The tracks runs here, you see. Det kule klokka da. I think this old watch is cool. Inside. Slow. Okay. Var det her ble brukt da? Var det her ble brukt da? Ah, this was an old kiosk. Var det en gammel kiosk? It's an old kiosk. Huh? Or maybe it has been where you buy the tickets? Oh, shit. There's the train. Jeg har kjørt toget. Du har kjørt toget, eller? Du har kjørt toget, eller? Nei. Har du ikke det? Oh, shit. And the train actually runs every summer. I think the train is... Yeah, I think the train is stable here. I'm not quite sure. Men, ja. Jeg tror toget står inne i hallen der, eller? I think here is an old... Ja, jeg så det. I think this is from an old steam locomotive train. And here is actually the cut open to see how it's inside. So this is kind of cool. So this is probably to see how it's made, I think. So this is quite thick steel. Just cut it open. And this is how it looks. Kind of special. This is how the steam engine looks like inside. That's cool. And here you can... This is probably where they put the firewood in. All the heat goes into all these tubes and probably heat up the water. And this is the chamber, actually, I think, for the water. So these pipes runs all the way. Quite big though. It's like 15 feet long, I think. And at the other side, I don't know what it is though. It must weigh like 5 tons or something. I think this is big. This is kind of cool, I think. You see how they have cut it open, just to show how the function is. That's cool. Are you there? Yes, my friend is calling me. The train actually is in the stable, so we're now going over to look at the train. Vet du hva det var for noe, den der greia? Det er en gammel dampmotormaskin. Du liksom kutta den åpen for å se hvordan funksjonen er. Dritkult. Aldri sett før. Okay, inside here's the train. Let's see if you can get a glimpse of the train. Det ser ikke så mye. So maybe you can see something in here. In there. Shit, maybe from the other side of the building. This is an old train stable. Yeah. So let's see if you can see the train inside here. There are some tracks again. Let me see here. No, this is just a workshop. Her, kanskje? Let us see. Yeah, there's the train. It's not easy, huh? So here you can see the train. Side. Here's the train. There's so much to see. We have some old crane. Lukter olje. That is cool. There's an old gas pump. Hva er dette for noe? Er det et løfta ting? Okay. So that's it. We have to wait until the summer. So thanks for watching.